guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing the video that some people have been waiting for quite a while. I am going to be doing my 3-tier tray and decorating it. A lot of things came from Dollar Tree, but I will go over where every single thing came from. So I'm just going to get started. So I have been collecting things for quite a while now. So a lot of this is from the Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, Target, and Dollar General. So I just lay everything out like this to see what I have and to see if I have enough. And then that little sign I bought last year. So this is what my tray looked like for the past few weeks, and then I'm just going to be taking everything out. I thought I would use those little Ray Dunn pots, but I totally changed my mind and I just took everything out and I just wanted to start fresh. Whoa, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 da. And if you are new to my channel and watching this, I have done a few of these decorate with me with the 3-tier tray, and I did purchase this from Hobby Lobby, but never buy anything at Hobby Lobby unless it's on sale because it can be so expensive. So I always wait till all their Galvanized farmhouse stuff is on sale, and I think I picked this up for $20, regular $40. And then now I am just adding a bunch of this, pillow cushion filler. My mom had this and I begged for it because I did her 3-tier tray first, and then we added this and it looked so good, and it kind of just pushes everything upwards so it doesn't all sink to the bottom of the tray. That little sleigh came from the Dollar Tree, and this little farmhouse Christmas barn, that came from Hobby Lobby. And most of these little bottle brush trees came from Walmart. If they didn't come from Walmart, then they probably came from Target, and the Target ones have the little wooden bases. And then I just thought I would add that little red truck mug, and that was from the Dollar Tree. And then this little green truck was from Target. It was during their fall decor, and that was in the dollar spot there. And then I loved these little bottle brush trees with the little berries in it. Those are from Walmart. And then I grabbed a couple of those little lanterns right there from the Dollar Tree. So I really try to make decorating these 3-tier trays pretty inexpensive because it can cost a ton of money if you buy all new decor every single year. And this is what I did because I have never decorated a 3-tier tray before, except that 'Tis the Season to Be Jolly sign right there with the truck. I picked that up last year or the year before. And then a lot of these just came from Hobby Lobby. That little galvanized bin came from there, and then these picks came from Walmart. So I'm hoping, or I'm thinking, that I only spent about $20 for everything to decorate this tray, and then I try to use a couple things that I already had. Oh, oh, da, 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 da. Making a Christmas memory. And like everybody else, I know that if you don't like something that you have to change it around a couple more times, and I did change the top around quite a few times. I ended up getting a little red truck for the top, and you'll see that right at the end. So when I did this video, I did not have that red truck, but then I wanted to switch it around. So then I waited another week to actually edit this video. So I've been changing this around so much, and then I just kind of placed a ton of these little bottle brush trees in here. I think these look so cute, and then they like hold up so well with this like cotton. Everything just kind of sticks together. And that little deer ornament, it's actually an ornament. It came from Dollar General. And those little balls I have everywhere, those came from the Dollar Tree over the spring. And then I just threw some pine cones in from Dollar General. All right, and this is how everything turned out. And if you didn't hear where I purchased something, I will try to leave everything in the description box below, so you will be able to see that. I don't think I'll have links for everything except probably the tray. But everything else, like I said, probably came from like the dollar spot or the Dollar Tree. Everything was so inexpensive, and I think I did pay under $20 for everything. This has to be my absolute favorite thing to decorate for every single season. I have only had this since the spring, so this is the 3rd time I got to decorate it. But yes, this is like my absolute favorite. I look forward to this more than anything, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I didn't disappoint the people that have been waiting for this. I think this turned out really, really cute. The back isn't perfect, but nobody's going to be able to see the back, so it's totally okay. But the little white tree came from the Dollar Tree, and then that little, I don't even know, the little bottle, that came from the Dollar Tree around like Halloween. And then I just had that little log. I can't remember where I purchased it or where it came from, and then like the lanterns and everything came from the Dollar Tree. So pretty much this is a huge Dollar Tree, Dollar General type little 3-tier tray, but it was so inexpensive to make, and I was so happy about that because anything to save money, and if you have stuff to reuse or if you have things that you're able to put in here and you're buying one of these new, definitely just see what you have before you go out and buy a bunch of things. But that is it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!